Formal nang nagtapos ang makasaysayang centennial season ng NCAA na mas pinakulay ng mga kwento ng tagumpay ng mga student athlete. Pinakilala na rin ang Mapua University bilang host ng Season 101. Nakatutok si Martin Javier.
Maaksyon at makasaysayan. Sa dalawang salitang yan, maaalala ang mga naging tagpo sa NCAA Season 100. Sa isang turnover ceremony na ginanap sa Intramuros, formal nang nagtapos ang centennial season ng liga. Present sa event ang mga miyembro ng NCAA Policy Board at Management Committee. Dinaluhan din ito ni GMA Senior Vice President and Head of GMA Integrated News, Regional TV and Synergy, Sir Oliver Amoroso. Inalala ang mga naging kampyon sa iba't ibang events. At mula sa mga kupo ng nagwagi, binigyang parangal ang overall champions. Parehong nakuha ng San Beda University ang kampyonato sa Juniors Division at Seniors Division.
Thank you so much for the love, for the support, and for the overwhelming resilience of the NCAA Season 100.
Ipinasa na rin ang responsibilidad bilang host school ng Lyceum of the Philippines University sa pangunguna ni Policy Board Member Attorney Roberto Laurel sa Mapua University na pinangungunahan naman ni Dr. Dodgy Maestrecampo.
I am very happy and proud to have turned over this afternoon the hosting to our new host for Season 101, Mapua University.
Season 101 is a milestone for NCAA because we're turning on to the new century. First year of the second century for NCAA. We will be honoring the legacy that NCAA has created.
Kaabang-abang naman ang paparating na basketball season dahil sa isang bago at mas exciting na tournament format.
This would give new life to the events like basketball and volleyball, and we're open to this proposal of the MANCOM, and we're hoping that this would make the games more exciting.
Magsisimula ang NCAA Season 101 sa darating na Oktubre. Para sa GMA Integrated News, ako si Martin Javier, nakatutok 24 oras.